Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I am here with the Advent December Challenge. And it's between Sabrina and I don't know what she's putting hers in, but I made this little like journal, and I took some Christmas cards a little loose, so I was a little disappointed. And I just put some paper in between, okay, and then I got another Christmas card and paper in between. But the challenge is, yeah, and they're not made in China. But I saved this box so I didn't lose all these envelopes. Because I cleaned my craft room today. Is every one of these envelopes has something in from Sabrina. So we have to find day one. So we got 29, 31. Okay. Because I'm going to go and just, well, we got 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I'll eventually put them in order, but 27, 6, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Number 1. So there's 31 here. We're going all the way the whole month of December. So each envelope has a spread, or things to do a page, I guess you would call it. To do a spread in a page. This will be the first video kind of explaining it. From now on, from this video on, I will actually have it done. Or I may do one video opening it, like a short video, and then show you what I created. So this is day 1. So let's see what Sabrina sent me. I'm excited here. Look at this little ruler I use to open envelopes. Oh, maybe not. Oh, there we go. I like it. Ooh, let's see what we got. Okay, envelope's empty. I'm gonna save it just in case I want to use it. So we got a little gingerbread house and a snowflake, and a little gingerbread guy, and a cool looking snowman. Got some stickers and a little card. This is Bear. And a piece of paper that says Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, and over and over and over. So let's find my page. Now, I have some that are like this, so I'm going to use and just work with that. You can actually use what you're sent and also add to it of stuff, because I'm doing this too, like that. And so I need to cut one out. Find me a 1. There it is. So we're just gonna cut. See? Okay. So I'm going to put hers, and I'm going to actually dead center, but I'm going to flip it over and actually put it for this side. Like that as well. There we go. Oopsie. Okay. Now, we got the chunky. He's so cute. He looks so chunky. But he needs some snow. We need snow. it's double-sided. Do I want to go this way? Or do I want to go that way? We'll go this way. I like that he's kind of chunky and got sunglasses on. He looks so cool. I'm gonna stick it under just a smidgen. Okay. And then we're going to put the one right there. So we got the little bear. I think what I'm going to do is, oh, look at the little moose. He's cute. Crazy ape. I think I'm going to save them and put it in here for now. And keep it and maybe make something down the road to finish the book off. Oh, yes, there we go. Okay. Alright, we got the little house and the snowflake. So let's put the little snowflake right there. And we got a little gingerbread. Put that right there. And okay. Oh, I was like, where'd it go? It was stuck on my finger. Candy and little gifts. Wow, these are some tiny stickers. So I cleaned my craft room today. And the piece like paint splatter on my floor, and I went to, scratch it. It went under my nail. It's so sore right now. Ouch, it hurt. I was like, ding, ouch, 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 ouch. And then kids helped me today. I had my grandkids today. They actually helped me because I had to move my whole table. Because I have this plastic, it's helped with the chair, on the floor, hardwood floor. My son bought it, so if I splatter paint, I don't spray it. It's not on the hardwood floor, running the hardwood floor. So there we go. That is day 1. I think it turned out cool. So what I'll do with these extra ones is I'm going to put them in the little envelope I have back here. And down the road, maybe use them for another layout. Maybe I'll decorate the envelope with something. Alright, so that is it, guys. That is day 1. Sabrina's doing it too, so please go check out Sabrina's. So tomorrow's won't be as long. I'll probably do a short video opening it so you can see it, and then do another video showing the page complete. So this is day 1. Happy December, everybody, and Merry Christmas.